In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to PayPal. To begin, open the Google form you want to use. You should be on the editing screen where you can see your questions and the toolbar across the top. This connection is done by installing an add-on, which lets your form send payment details to PayPal through an invoice workflow. Next, go to the top toolbar in Google Forms and click the menu icon, the one with 3 dots. In the menu that opens, select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a new window or panel where you can search for tools that extend what Google Forms can do. In the search bar, type the add-on name you need. Enter Form to PayPal Invoice. Then look through the results and click on Form to PayPal Invoice when you see it. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct add-on, since similarly named tools can appear. Once you are on the add-on page, click Install. Google will ask you to confirm the installation and may prompt you to choose an account and review permissions. These permissions are required so the add-on can access your form responses and generate the invoice process connected to PayPal. Continue through the prompts until the installation finishes. Then click Done to close the confirmation. Now return to your Google Form editor. You will need to open the add-ons area again from the toolbar so you can access the tool you just installed. Click the add-ons icon, which looks like a puzzle piece, to bring up the list of available add-ons for this form. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh. In the add-ons list, find and click Form to PayPal Invoice. This opens the add-on options for your form. From here, select Connect/Disconnect PayPal. This is the setting that starts the link between the add-on and your PayPal account, so the add-on can create invoices based on form submissions. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear to complete the connection process. Once you see that the connection option is available and configured, your Google form is successfully connected through the add-on. That covers everything you need to know.